Fun facts about Shona mermaids. Njuzu. Number 1. River queens. In Shona stories, Njuzu are beautiful water spirits who live in rivers and lakes. They have shiny, fish-like tails and love wearing beads and shells. Number 2. Shy but powerful. Njuzu are shy. You can't just walk up and see them. They appear only if they choose to, and it's often to special people. Number 3. Kidnapping for kindness. Some stories say Njuzu might take someone underwater, but not to hurt them. They keep the person for days, teach them healing powers, and then return them to land. Number 4. The magic return. If someone comes back from the Njuzu's underwater world, they often have special gifts like being able to heal the sick or find lost things. Number 5. Don't make them angry. Njuzu love respect. If people pollute rivers or throw rubbish in, they might hide away or cause trouble. Number 6. Guardians of water. Njuzu are believed to protect rivers, lakes, and springs. If they are happy, the water stays clean and full of fish. Number 7. Singing underwater. Some say if you are quite near certain rivers, you can hear Njuzu singing under the water. Number 8. Hair like sunshine. In many Shona tales, Njuzu have long, shining hair, sometimes golden, sometimes black like the night. Number 9. The test of courage. If you see Njuzu and stay calm, it means you are brave. Run away screaming, and you might never see one again. Number 10. Not just girls. Even though most stories are about Lady Njuzu, there are also male merfolk who are just as magical and sometimes more mischievous. If you enjoyed learning these fun cultural facts with us today, please subscribe to our channel for more videos on Zimbabwe and the Shona culture. Thank you. Tatenda.